Good afternoon. Sign of the times. We all have our notes on iPads and electronic things now. Let me add my welcome to this second annual Demo Day. We're very pleased that you're here to see something that we hope is informative to you. I want to thank our speakers that will be speaking in a moment. These are industry leaders in the area of next generation mobile services, and I think they're going to have some very exciting things to say. Speakers today include Converse, Telecom Italia, ARM, Ipso Alliance, Red Bin Software, and GS1. Now, as you've maybe experienced already, we are going to do quite a few very interesting demos. Now, these are not all the companies who are here today and will be facilitating the demos. These are just all the logos we could get on one page. Today, OMA technology is represented in every mobile phone in existence. Now, I think that's a pretty good success story. It demonstrates the fundamental role that OMA can play in the service enabler deployment in the mobile user experience. Some of the presentations you will hear today will show you how OMA enablers have benefited the mobile ecosystem. For instance, just a couple of examples. When Converse speaks, you'll hear how OMA enablers drive interoperability among a wide variety of legacy systems and how the convergence of those systems into a new IP-based services and technologies enhances the user experience, and it gives the operator the ability to build a comprehensive communication system. When you'll hear Telecom Italia speak, you'll hear of some of the current work that OMA is doing to enhance the quality of service for smartphone users. Now, let me ask, how many of you really know what OMA does? Okay, congratulations, you're in a real minority. Let me put it very simply. What OMA does is develop framework and protocols and application protocol interfaces that connect the developer community with the mobile network operator. So we build the plumbing and the protocols for this connection to allow information to pass in a standardized way very efficiently across this pipe. What that does for the developers is it allows them to develop applications toward a standardized connection. So it runs on any platform, runs on any operating system, and it allows the mobile network operator to expose capabilities in his network to the developer community to allow for an enhanced quality of service and quality of experience. So it allows the developer to take advantage of the things that the mobile operator can provide, and also facilitates efficient use of the bandwidth, and that's very important to mobile operators like T-Mobile USA. Did I get that plug in for my company? Now, an interesting thing has happened in the last few years. New interest from organizations and vertical markets that we had not experienced before because they're going wireless. Everything from advertising, automotive, utilities, healthcare, and public safety. Now, one of the things that this enables is some of the enablers that OMA already has are applicable to these new industries. Things like device management, things like secure user plane location. These are enablers that are already developed by OMA. But there are new needs in the industry, and OMA cannot operate in a vacuum. We've got to have requirements from both the developer community and from the mobile network operator. And we do that by partnering with other SDOs, other associations to find out what those requirements are. Let me give you just a couple of examples that, and a couple you'll see here today. GS1 is working with OMA to develop the service layer specifications for mobile barcodes. Now, GS1 owns the world for mobile barcodes, the barcodes on almost any product. What this enabler will do is allow a user to scan that barcode on his mobile phone and get information back directly from the manufacturer, all kinds of information on that product. I've been told that this will very likely revolutionize how the public shops for products and in real time. We partner with One M2M, the Broadband Forum, and IPSO Alliance, working on requirements for device management in the M2M space. Our device management that we had already developed was meant for mobile devices. Lots of power, lots of memory, lots of processing capability. Well, that's not true for MDM. That's a little small device way out on the end of the network, but we still need to manage it. We still need to control it. So we wrote an enabler that was for lightweight device management. We call it lightweight M2M. That very economically uses the bandwidth to control those devices. We're working with the Open Social Foundation on enabling a definition of our social network web enabler that allows for federating social networks, putting all these different social networks together in one package to be so user can access it on their phone. I'm looking forward to hearing what our speakers have to say. I'm looking forward to the demos. So let me get out of the way and we'll get started. Thank you very much.